you for joining me. I really do appreciate those who have been watching. I did want to show you guys some colors really quickly. Amsterdam released a couple new acrylic paint colors. I don't necessarily know how new they are. I think I seen them on Instagram about a month ago. So this is turquoise green light and lilac. And this is permanent lemon yellow light. And this is ultramarine light. I did want to just show you that this is new because I was like, is this really new? But so this is ultramarine violet and this is ultramarine violet light. This is just ultramarine light. I was thinking about adding it with the regular ultramarine. This is ultramarine. It's gonna be more on your bluer side. This color is just absolutely beautiful. So I may use these two together. I wanted to show you guys these colors. I purchased these from, I believe, Blick Art, but you can purchase them right on Amsterdam's website, or I don't know if they're on Amazon yet. But yeah, I just wanted to show you these beautiful shade. Here are a couple new specialties. Their specialties are going to be your silver, copper, bronze, and gold. I believe they have a deep gold and a light gold. I'm working on a 20 by 20 inch canvas. One of my favorite subscribers commented yesterday that I should add bronze to this color palette. And I thought that was a really good idea. I was gonna add gold as well, but I didn't really feel like mixing it up. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my cup layering. Now it's time to put my base colors down. Yeah, I really like this color. this. Probably gonna have to go like this. These pours are challenging to do because all of the paint is going to move at the same time. There's quite a bit of paint in this blue area that I need to get off. I don't know if I like it this way, if I like it this way, or if I like it this way. I think I like it this way. You guys let me know which way you like it. Let me know in the comments which way you like the orientation. I think I like it this way. Sometimes getting up high, like up above it, it helps you find the best composition. Ultimately, if someone purchases it, it's gonna be what they, what is most pleasant to their eye. Okay, I absolutely am so happy that I stayed with this and I didn't give up on it, because at first I was a little worried. The white, it's very thick. As you can see, there were air bubbles in the white, but you can still see the impression of the air bubble. I am really happy that I stayed with this and that I did not give up on it. I am going to use these colors again. I'm gonna add more blues, but I'm really loving the blue, the dark blue, like the custom Prussian blue with the cream. I'm really loving that. So I'm gonna stay with that. These two colors may be in every painting going forward in this series. But yeah, I love the results. I love the detail. I love the blue. There's metallic throughout this entire painting, but I'm gonna bring you down for a close-up. Here it is. So here's what I was talking about in the white. Do you see what I'm talking about? How there were air bubbles there, but you can still see the impression of the air bubble. It's very thick paint. But here's the straight pour that I poured out along the lines that I created to separate those colors. And here is that copper bronze mix. Very pretty. I am getting a few cells in there, which is great. I love how this light blue like snake through, kind of looks like a vine of some sort. Love, love, love it. Love the cream, everything about it. It's so beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching.